Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise the unit adjectives. Adjectives, you know that adjectives are the qualities, or you can say the describing word, or the word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. That is called adjective. So, in our class, it is the topic is degrees of comparison. So, see here, first of all, the kinds of adjectives are given, and they are qualitative, quantitative, demonstrative, interrogative, possessive, and distributive. So the qualities are given here. This we have discussed in class 6th also and in the class also. So now today we are making the revision or doing the revision. So the topic is degrees of comparison. See, if we have to make the comparison with tall, then tall, taller, tallest. Similarly, see here, fat, fatter, fattest, rich, richer, and richest. This is the comparison. Positive degree, tall, fat, or rich. This is positive. Then comparison is held between the two, then taller, fatter, or richer. And superlative, it is more than two, tallest, fattest, or the richest, the third one. Now come to the second page. This is a formation of degree, how the degrees are framed. See, it is bright, brighter, brightest, positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Three are there. The first one is positive, the second is comparative, and the third one is superlative degree. Second, clear, clearer, clearest, dear, dearer, dearest, green, greener, greenest, high, higher, highest. Then you say dry, drier, driest, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, pretty, prettier, prettiest, gay, gayer, gayest. Then big, bigger, biggest. C double G is there. Similarly, fit, fitter, hot, hotter, double T. Now see, most adjective of the two syllable are adjective of more than one syllable form their comparative degree by having more and most. Active, more active, most active. Difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So you know very well, when it is positive degree, we use the first degree, or you can say when there is comparison between the two, then we use the comparative degree. And when we are talking about the superlative degree, is used when more than two persons things are compared. It is generally followed by of and is placed before it. The is placed before it. She is the loveliest of all the girls. She is the loveliest girl in the class. Helen was the most beautiful woman in Greek. The Taj Mahal is the most beautiful building. Now see here, we have to fill the degrees. See, which is the most intelligent of the three brothers? I shall give you the least trouble, little less least. The next one is June the hottest month? HOTTEST, hottest. This chapter is more interesting than that. Comparison is there between the two chapters, then more interesting. The weather is pleasant today than it was yesterday. So the comparison is there, then more pleasant. He is the dash boy, good, better, best boy. The condition of my books is dash than that of yours. Comparison, then it is worse. Then big degree, I want a bigger house than this. Comparison between two houses is there. You are dash than your brother. Comparison means taller. So in this way you can fill this exercise. Now let us see this exercise. One or two we shall try. After that you can do it yourself. The milk is the dash best thing for health. It is more useful than tea, but some people like tea for they consider it more stimulating than milk. When then is there means there is comparison between two, and when we are more than two things are there, then the superlative degree will be used. So in this way we have to make the use of degrees. There are three important cities in the district A, B and C. A is the dash of all, most important of all. This is due to the fact that both B and C are older. A on the other hand is the oldest, is the most modern. In this way you can fill. I think you will be able to fill these degrees. So it's all for today.